Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Ovation Guitar. We have Rilès or Rilès. Always have a split decision here in how to pronounce this, the English, the French version. Anyway, the song is called I Thought. That is English, I'm sure. And this is a great tutorial how to play this song. If you also want a tutorial, kind of a workout tutorial, you can check this song out as well. You watch the music video. This is 2-in-1 and you will understand. Now let's go into the playing here. And we don't need any setup more than just you to grab a guitar and start to play. No capo here. We have 5 chords to handle if you want to play the intro as well. So let's start with the chords. We're gonna go and learn bar chords to start with. So this is the F sharp. You place the index finger on the second fret to push down all strings there. Then you need to add 4th on A, 4th D, and 3rd G. We're going to continue with bars and the second fret bar finger on the B minor. This time you just need to push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up. You don't need the last E string here. And then you need to add 4th fret D, 4th G, and 3rd B. We continue with the D. That's just a standard. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And then Troy here is also playing the A. That's the only time he's using this chord. So it goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And then we also have the G. And that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. All right, and actually I missed one. It's the E minor, so we're gonna add up to 6 chords in total. Sorry for that, but this is pretty easy. E minor. It goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. So 6 chords in total. That's where we land. And now let's learn the strumming pattern. The first chord will be B minor. So grab that one, and one string round goes down, up, up, down, up. Like this. So one down, a short pause, and then up, up, down, up. That is one string around. So that's how it goes. Now let's start with the intro. You're gonna play B minor 2, F sharp 2, B minor 2, D2, A2, and B minor 2. That is the intro. Let's play that together. Just one round. It goes like this. F sharp, B minor, D, A, and B minor. Alright, so there you have the intro, guys. Now the verse starts about 26 seconds in, and we're gonna start with D2, then F sharp 2, and then after that you're gonna play B minor 2, F sharp 2, and just alternate that B minor 2, F sharp 2 for, let's see, 5 times. So that is the first verse. You start with D2, F sharp 2, and then 5 times of B minor 2, F sharp 2. Okay, so I'm gonna start the verse and play a couple of rounds of that B minor F sharp back and forth, so you get the idea of how to play it. 2 string rounds per chord, like this. Okay, you're gonna play that for another 3 rounds of that B minor, F sharp, and that is the first verse. Into the second verse now, starts about 1 minute and 17 seconds in. I'm not sure actually if this is the verses or choruses. We're gonna let that out really, but I'm gonna give you the timestamps. This is, like I said, 1 minute and 17 seconds in. You're gonna play B minor 1, G 1, E minor 1, and F sharp minor 1. So that is at 1 minute and 17 seconds in. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds, and in this 4 rounds starts kind of a rock music part as well after the 2 rounds. So 2 rounds is like slowed down playing, and then after 2 rounds of this B minor, G minor, F sharp comes the rock music in there. So total of 4 rounds of that, okay? And then we hit the final parts of the song about 1 minute and 51 seconds in. You're gonna play D2, F sharp 2, B minor 2, and F sharp 2 for this 1 round. And then you're gonna continue with this B minor 2 and F sharp 2 for another 4 round back and forth. And guess what, guys? That is the song I thought from Rilès. Alright guys, as always, it's nice to help you out there with songs you want to learn. I know there are many fans of Rilès out there, so if you like the song, give me a like here on this tutorial. Helps me a lot, and be back for next upload. Till then guys, play tuned.